What's going on YouTube? So in today's video, we'll do a quick overview about how to create a Linux VM the normal way. Before we begin, you should visit the Microsoft website to see which version of Linux is supported. Once we have found a version that we like, then we can download the ISO for it. Once we have an ISO, then we can use the Hyper-V wizard to create a new VM. We will set a desired name for the VM and select where we want to store the VM files. For the best compatibility, we can use Gen 1. When assigning RAM, we should assign at least the minimum value that the Linux OS require. We will select a desired network adapter. We can always add another adapter later after we have created the VM. It is here that it's important for us to tell the wizard that we will install an OS later. From within the settings window, we can assign the CPU processor and assign the Linux ISO to the DVD adapter. From here, we will turn on the Linux VM and start the installation process. And with this, we have successfully installed the Linux OS. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you all later. Peace.